Do you find application of liquid lipstick troublesome? Do you think your liquid lipstick doesn't look good on you? What are the problems that you face? You keep on trying applying a perfect lip shape liquid lipstick. Do you think it becomes patchy and blotchy? It comes on your teeth after application. After a few hours of application of liquid lipstick, there are two colors. One is your lip color and the liquid lipstick. Your lip liner just keeps on sliding. It doesn't show the right color. It doesn't stays on place. Then this video is definitely for you. We'll be discussing all these problems and the solution. Let's jump into it. Number one thing, always scrub your lips. Keep your lips hydrated. Generally, exfoliation and weather makes your lips quite dry. Even if you're applying bullet lipstick, cream lipstick, these two steps are essential, and after that you are done with the basic preparation. But if you're applying liquid lipstick, there's an extra step. Take a cloth napkin and then wipe your lips so that there is no extra layer of lip balm. Your lipstick sticks on place, and this will again give an extra exfoliation. And then take your favorite liquid lipstick. I'm using Pixie liquid lipstick. It's a matte. Now don't start applying it direct. Liquid lipsticks dry very fast, so you'll not be able to draw the perfect shape, and there will be thick layer of lipstick on your lips which will not look even. The right way is to take a lip liner which is very close to your natural lip color or to the lipstick shade, and then draw your lips the way you want to. Either you love to draw over or the natural way, and then you should fill in the liquid lipstick. When you apply liquid lipstick, there is another important thing you should remember, that there should not be two colors striking out. One is your liquid lip color and your lip liner. Rather, there's a right way. You should use your finger and blend them. Blending is the key, my girls, these days with lipstick. Gone are the 90s era when two colors used to strike and two colors used to show up. Keep them blended, keep them looking like they are married, and your lipstick lip liner should look seamless. After that, another thing is thin layer of liquid lipstick. Let it dry. If you're not happy with the color payout, after it dries, use the second layer. Now many girls, they start rubbing their lips before the liquid lipstick dries, and this is the reason why your lipstick becomes blotchy, patchy, and you can completely avoid this. The key is to let your lipstick completely dry. Now let me show you the perfect way to apply lipstick. That's a liquid one. Take the lip liner, draw the lip shape. Now I repeat myself, the lip shape could be either you wanted to go natural way or a little overdraw. I generally like to overdraw my lips, and after that you have to contour your lips. If you want to see how to contour your lips, I can make another video. This definitely helps to give a dimension. Otherwise, when you use liquid lipstick, you lose your dimension. They become just one rock sitting on your face. So dimension is very important. This you can achieve only with the lip liner, and then start filling it. When you fill, you have to blend your lip liner and liquid lipstick. Let it dry and you'll have a perfect liquid lipstick. But still there are many other problems and the hurdles we face, so keep on watching the video. Now I've applied a very thin layer of liquid lipstick. I'll sit a couple of seconds idle so that it dries off completely, and then I'll apply the second layer. And this second layer will be not even tacky. This will be perfect. The color payoff will be perfect. It will dry up quickly. But applying lipstick perfectly doesn't seem the end of the problems. You'll have sometimes lipstick on your teeth. So what should you do? Take your finger, just do like what I did, and then you'll see there is absolutely no lipstick on your lips. But there's another problem with the liquid lipstick. After a couple of hours of application, you see a circle of lipstick sitting on your lips, and lips are showing up differently. This generally happens with bright and red colors. So the right way is take a bullet cream lipstick which is of same color as your liquid lipstick, and apply. This will keep your lips more hydrated, and there will be no problem that you have that circle. Now when you apply it couple of hours, you drink, you eat, your lipstick becomes fade and it's not as you wished it to be. So what should you do? You should always wipe it off. Trust me, never ever layer up your liquid lipstick on the old application. This is the worst thing you can do. So now I'll tell you another problem which you face, that your liquid lipstick also bleeds, because you're doing the same mistake which I did for a couple of years. Is you apply lip liner over your lip balm. It doesn't show up, it doesn't pay off, and then eventually your liquid lipstick also bleeds, it doesn't stay, it fades. So the right way, I told you, be it you're applying it fresh or you are reapplying during the day, is to apply lip balm, wipe off your lips for excess moisture, draw lip liner as per your choice, and then fill in the liquid lipstick. When you fill in the liquid lipstick, you have to just keep on blending. That's it. So these are the problems you have been facing all through your life with liquid lipstick, isn't it? I hope I gave solution to the every problem which girls face while applying liquid lipstick, and you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, you know the drill. Just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.